Alright, so we've got this random pop-up storm that's dropping some pea-sized hail. Let's see if I can pick it up for you. I don't think I can. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Come on, grab it, grab it. Grab it. There we go. Look at that. Very small, but this storm popped up out of nowhere. That's crazy. I mean, it just came. And apparently hail? Interesting. This is the only lightning photo I got with this storm. But the second storm, well, I'll let you see for yourself. Okay, so we are on the way back. Second round of storms came in. Past the first one. This one's got possibly even bigger hail than the other one. But it's not going to be on us. But this thing is constant intra-cloud lightning, like everywhere. I'm pretty sure I've gotten at least 5 shots, which is the most I've gotten from a single storm. And we're not even getting the brunt of it. We're getting the side of this thing. So the fact that it's spitting out this much lightning is pretty crazy. I want to see if I can catch any. We're just heading home right now, so probably won't catch much, but I just want to see what I can get. Ooh, that one was above us. The second storm did end up having bigger hail than the first one. There were several reports of marble-sized hail to the west of where we were. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you haven't already subscribed, then please consider subscribing. Other than that, see ya.